The leaks for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series are coming in hot. Earlier this week, we saw an image showcasing the phone's rounded corners, and now there's word that, just like the Google Pixel 9 Pro, Samsung might throw in a free Gemini Advanced subscription for anyone who buys the Galaxy S25. But that's not all. Another leak just dropped showing off a sleek new blue colorway for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra, along with some cool MagSafe-style cases. According to a leak from Gizmochina, the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra were spotted in Spigen's Crystal Flex cases. The new colors are icy blue for the S25 Plus and titanium blue for the S25 Ultra, and since these cases are clear, we get a great look at those fresh shades. Samsung's expected to offer up to 7 color options for the S25 series, and it looks like blue will be a big part of that mix. What's interesting is that the blue on the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus looks a little darker than the titanium blue on the Ultra, which is a lighter, almost washed-out shade. The leak also lines up with earlier rumors that the S25 Ultra will have rounded corners and super thin bezels. On top of that, the leak reveals a MagSafe-like ring on the back of both phones. Word on the street is that the S25 won't support Qi 2 wireless charging out of the box, so you'll need some external accessories for that. This case from Spigen seems to be one of them, and it's a move we've seen from other Android brands like Oppo and OnePlus. However, not everything adds up. Some earlier leaks showed the S25 series with new Galaxy Z Fold 6 style camera rings, but these new images don't have that design. It could be a mistake from the case maker's side, so we'll need to take it with a grain of salt. And here's the best part. We might not have to wait too long for official confirmation. Meanwhile, Ishan Agarwal has shared some juicy details about the Snapdragon chip situation. Looks like the Galaxy S25 series will get the Snapdragon 8 Elite globally, even in Europe. So, it seems all 3 devices could be Snapdragon-powered in most regions. The S24 will come in a 512 gigs version for €1,079, and other price details seem to be on point too. So it looks like the S25 Ultra will have nearly the same specs as last year, but the price won't jump too much. That means this year, you'll get the latest and greatest for a solid deal. So, do you think these changes will make you want to grab the S25 series? Let me know in the comments below. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.